just got my new little boys here, so we want to try that. The weather is yes, 200 meter, keep right, because the weather also a bit cloudy, so I'm not sure. They just got the new lens yesterday. Maybe I take some video with my new lens, so hope you guys enjoy my 24mm G Master 1.4. So some in my video I took using this new lens, so maybe some of this I mixed with my phone. I'm very enjoyed with my new lens. Then I hope you guys also enjoy with my video. Then don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye. See you again next time.